A great trainer can figure out how to help you execute a move and give you thoughts about how to train it, but artistry is another beast. Most people don't know how to pull artistry into their choreography and their performance, and that's what touches hearts. That's what draws attention to your dog. That's what gives you the effects that you want to have from your routine. You know, every routine tells a story. I want this to be your team's story, not someone else's. And all that comes through artistry. So if you want to learn more about artistry, I'm offering a live Zoom workshop. It's 50 minutes on June 29th or June 30th at 10 a.m. Pacific time, which is 1 p.m. in the afternoon for the East Coast. Those of you that are out of the country, I will be providing a recording of this if you sign up. So you're welcome to sign up anyway and get the recording, because I'm going to be covering things like phrasing, staging, line, how to draw attention to your dog. And that gives you so much more artistry. Understanding those skills is going to open up a whole new world for you in freestyle. The cost is $35, or if you sign up before June 16th, it's $28. All you have to do is message me or send me an email to judy@dogscandance.com, and I'll be glad to send you a PayPal invoice. Once that's paid, you're registered. So I'll see you June 29th or 30th for my Zoom live interactive workshop on artistry.